What is up, everybody out there in YouTube land? This is Jose once again from PetRockMedia.com. We are back with another video, and today we are continuing our discussion on stocking stuffers and ideas for that photographer or videographer in your life for the holiday 2020 giving season. And today we're talking a little bit about a light. Now this light comes from a company called Viltrox, and we are going to take a little bit of closer look at it, its features, the greatness of this little light, the fact that it's a must-have for you in any one of your bags. So let's talk about it. So before we get started, if you're new to the channel, thank you for stopping on by. I greatly appreciate the support. And if you like the context of this video and like to see more videos, hit that subscribe button and punch that bell icon so you'll be notified each and every time we post content to this channel. So going along with the holiday guides that we've been having, first of all, we talked about a must-have everyday carry, the little all-in-one card. Then we went into something a little bit more in depth for those photography individuals in your life that utilize an iPhone. We talked a little bit about that. And then we talked about one of the best little things that I keep with me called a doohickey, which is this little bad boy right here. Tons of great little features on this little thing. And it's right now, I believe, retailing for $5 on Amazon, both the silver and the black edition. So definitely check that out. I'm going to leave links to everything we've talked about down below, including what we're about to talk about today, and that is this little handy light again from a company called Viltrox. Now this is a 25 LED light, portable light if you will. It is rechargeable. It does recharge via USB, so that USB Type-C. So that is one of the downsides to this, but this little light right here is amazing. And battery life on this item is pretty well if you don't go 100% for a long period of time. I normally don't use this bad boy at 100% brightness. Usually it's around the 30s to maybe 40s, depending on how far away I have it and what style of lighting I'm utilizing this with. But again, this is an LED rechargeable light. It has this little diffuser right here that is magnetic. You can see the little magnets right there. You can see it on the light right there. And all you do, clip it on, and that bad boy is not going anywhere. Now, let's look at the strength of this light, because this light is pretty powerful from how small it is. So you just turn it on real quick, it boots up, says Viltrox, and you're about to see the brightness. It's at 70%. You'll see it right there. Whoa, blowing me out completely. And this bad boy goes all the way from 8500 Kelvin to 2500 Kelvin. So if you push, there's a little button right here. You push that, it'll cycle between power and color. So right now, I'm gonna go to the warmest it has, which is 2500. Pretty orangey, right? It's pretty blown out, but that's orangey right there. And right now we're at 68%. And right now I'm about to go all the way to its coolest, which is 8500 Kelvin. And there you can see right there, pretty fluorescent, pretty blue light. I like to utilize it around 5600 Kelvin. And I like to utilize it at about 40, sometimes 35%. So right now you're about to see the light at 35% on my face. I'll bring it forward so that way it'll enlighten my entire front face. You'll see it in my glasses, the reflection. You take my glasses off. So that's with the light, that's without the light. So you'll see the power of it at 35%. It's about 1.5 feet away from me, about where my camera is. There's right there, 5500 Kelvin, 35% without the light. It can get very, very bright. So let's go ahead and go to the lowest, 10%. Right there, at 5500 Kelvin, all the way to 100%, which is right there, 5500, 100% brightness on this little bad boy right here. As you can see, that is blinding brightness on a little light that is roughly the size, actually smaller than my iPhone. And you put it right next to it. This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max, so you can see for size difference, that's pretty small. It's about 6 inches by 3.5 inches wide. So this little bad boy, again, is an amazing, amazing must-have if you are a videographer, or even a photographer. If you're looking to bounce a little bit more light off of a subject or off of something, or just have direct light on them, you can have somebody holding this up directly towards your subject. It does have tripod mount on the bottom, a 1/4 20. So you can attach this to maybe a selfie stick or a tripod, and you can kind of handle it and move it wherever you want the light focused on. And currently these bad boys are in stock on Amazon for $25 plus shipping if you're not a Prime user. If you are, obviously it's free, and then taxes are about $2 to $3. So under $30 you can get one of these bad boys as a great stocking stuffer for that videographer or photographer in your life. But once again, guys, I just wanted to show you another great stocking stuffer for that videographer or photographer in your life. Again, let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Do you own one? How much do you love it? Or is there something that you wish a newer version had? Once again, this is Jose from PetRockMedia.com, and I'll catch each and every one of you in the next video. Peace.